up, guys? I'm back. This is the next day from the video, as you can clearly see. But right now I'm heading over there to drop off my car so they can straight pipe it. Vamonos. So I'm just gonna wait for my girlfriend before I drop it off so I can do some sounds, like how it sounds stock, in parking, neutral, and once I do that, then I'll drop it off right away on how it sounds stock versus deleted everything. Just straight pipe from the auto sensors in the middle of the car. Turn the downpipe and yeah. She finally got here. Hey! Unlock the car. Okay, come over here. I want you to help me do something. For YouTube, say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi. You're beautiful. Okay. Come on here, Rick. Come on here. I want her to rev it a couple times so you guys could hear it. Cut a pipe. Go and accelerate my car. Obviously, don't press it hard like yours. This is not a Ford. Press it. Okay. Now, put your feet on the brake and put it on neutral. And now accelerate it. Okay. So, see? That's how it sounds stock. Now, when I get the straight pipe, woo! Bring the car in. So this is coming off, and that one's coming off. I was planning to have a dual exit, like something like this, but we couldn't find one, so we're probably just gonna go with the single exit. Later on, if I find the exhaust tip that's dual that fits good in this one, then I'm gonna see if I could buy and get it so that they could mount it on. Guys, I did it! I'm happy. Sounds nice, as you guys can probably hear. Oh my god, yo, this shit sounds amazing! Oh my god, yo. When I get home, I'm gonna put it in park and neutral and I'm gonna do all the revs. Oh my god, this shit sounds nice. Now we're talking. This shit sounds nice, yo. I wonder how it sounds when I have it on launch control. Yeah, this shit sounds nice. Whoop. Now when I put that downpipe, this shit's gonna be just, oh my god, yo. When I put that downpipe, this car is gonna be insane, yo. This shit's gonna be catching everybody off guard. This is like an old guy in front of me, so hella happy right now. I am extremely happy, yo. 2.5-inch down pipe, straight pipe, all the way from the O2 sensor in the middle of the downpipe. Sounds amazing, yo. Sounds insane. This shit's moving a lot. There's a lot of holes around here. Sounds insane, yo. I did not know it was gonna sound this good, yo. This is a 4-cylinder TFSI engine, turbocharged. So if you can do it, cut the resonator, put a straight pipe from the O2 sensor, do it. It's so worth it. Like, yo, so worth it, bro. God, when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds, but I want to hear this shit more. I'm about to pass under a tunnel, so. Fucking shit, yo. There's a Mustang GT over there. Mustang GT. My accent is heavy, I know. Oh, this shit sounds nice. God, yo, this is fantastic, yo. I have no idea how good this shit sounds. Oh my God, yo. This is legit my first car I straight pipe. The very first one. Never done it to any other car. And I cannot be any happier, yo. So I know for a fact I'm getting a Catalyst 3-inch downpipe. I have to. Like, it's Mando. Like, I have to do that now. So I'm definitely gonna look that shit up. I'm gonna see when I can do it. I'll probably see if I can order it by next week. But sounds amazing, yo. I fucking love it. Even normal. Jesus. Sounds amazing. Sounds crazy. When I put that 3-inch downpipe, that's when everything's gonna it's just gonna be crazy. I know that for a fact. It's gonna be way too much. You can hardly hear the turbo now. All you hear is my girlfriend's just like, oh man, I'm so excited, yo. Oh, deaf excited, yo. I'm gonna do the test right now. Accelerate it. Come accelerate a bit. Okay, she's gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna film it. That shit sounds crazy, right? He left my stock muffler. Go, accelerate it. Now put it in neutral. Okay, now accelerate it. Put it in park and just turn off the car. Oh my god, yo, I love this shit so much. Shit, it sounds nice. What do you think? It sounds nice?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like how it sounds? You like how it sounds?
Whoa! I got scared though, like when you sped past that person.
Oh, that shit sounds so good, yo. She likes it. Show them your beautiful face. But that's it for today, guys. Whew. Nice. I'll get you guys up to anything else I need to do to this car.